Hello everyone, this is a trade breakdown. Let's start. So this trade was on Bitcoin USD based on the context described in these trading view ideas I posted before. So it's multi-time frame. If you want to dive really in details of price action, please check them. They are latest updated ideas on Bitcoin. They are almost the same, but just with a bit different updates. And they have all the screenshots, all the context, and so on. Now let's go through the trade. So on weekly, this trade is based on confluence between impulses in different time frames on multi-time frames. So for instance, multi-time on higher time frames we have this recent bullish push and then slight pullback. Then on daily we have of course this huge daily uptrend. Then we created these bigger pushes, bigger impulse correction and impulse. After this created a pullback attempt to create a new high, and instead we just went into the range. Then we made a move to generate liquidity here and here and here. And of course it could continue to the downside, but it didn't. Instead it confirmed this move. It made this move to the upside and confirmed reaccumulation. Reaccumulation is a price action model when the price is ranging, is trending one side in one side, and then makes one or two or even sometimes three shifts to the downside. And when it confirms a new bullish range, it means that now the price is more bullish than even before, because we refueled with new liquidity here, and now we are creating this chain of demand, and we convert once, and we created this ICI, and then started to range again inside of a bullish push, and we had preceding price action which created this bullish pressure. After a long time of accumulation, and I think I had some losses and break-evens there. It's actually all in the outlooks, in the other outlooks, but this specific trade was made when lower time frames started to show more or less clear chain of demand, especially here. So what we had is price making clear moves to the upside and holding the demand in one direction. So this is a sign of a chain of demand. Especially it was obvious on 15 minutes and below. So let me replay this price. Where is my replay tool? So the price started to shift up on 15 minutes, and as I said, it created chain, a local chain of demand. And I posted this analysis here at this place at this time, and what I wanted to see is I understood that my perfect entry was like here. I mean, not perfect entry, but earlier possibilities for entry was here with this impulse liquidation and impulse pattern, or with the so this one is not my setup. Maybe even this setup was okay, but this time was like relatively late, and ideally I wanted to see this kind of pullback to liquidate some lows, or even deeper for a true reaccumulation. However, since it did not happen, I decided to just enter with the new impulse correction impulse here, but now I don't remember where the time frame. Probably it was 5 minutes. So we had this specific impulse correction impulse. So we had impulse correction and even fractal impulse correction, and on the break of these highs and of these highs, I entered. I understood that it could just go and liquidate So again, it's just a trade, just an entry, but this one worked out, and it started initial move and created one more impulse and correction before the possible impulse to the upside. So a new setup in itself. Then went almost to the entry point. Here I think I went to break even, or even maybe earlier. Yeah, I think I went to break even here. I don't remember, because break even, I don't have fixed rules, but somewhere there. And from there it just created one more chain of demand here. So a bigger zone, tap with a smaller zone, and just started this impulse correction, impulse building up and holding. Oh no, it went to the downside once again, and then went to take profit with the same, in the same manner. So impulse correction, impulse correction, and impulse to the upside. Then then after take profit, it went again for a true reaccumulation, and then today it created one more really nice push to the bullish side. So holding this 4-hour chain, and now we are of course looking to take it higher. Okay, thank you for being here. Bye.